Dropping your phone into water is one of the most stressful moments for any smartphone user. Whether it falls into a sink, gets splashed by rain, or lands in a puddle, the panic sets in instantly. The situation becomes even more worrying if your phone already has a cracked screen, making it easier for water to enter. The good news is this: not all water exposure means your phone is permanently damaged. In many cases, especially with minor water exposure, you can reduce damage and potentially save your phone if you act quickly and correctly. In this video, I'll guide you through what to do step by step, using safe and realistic methods that beginners can follow. Prevention is just as important as repair. Use a protective case, especially if your phone already has a cracked screen. Avoid using your phone near water sources and consider waterproof pouches for outdoor activities. Backing up your data regularly is another smart habit. Even if your phone cannot be saved, your data doesn't have to be lost. In conclusion, minor water damage does not always mean the end of your phone. By acting quickly, avoiding common mistakes, and using safe drying methods, you can significantly improve the chances of recovery. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tech guide.